In this video, I'm going to find local extrema of the function f of x equals negative x cubed plus 3x squared minus x. So the way we're going to do this is find the critical numbers of this function, and then we are going to take the second derivative and check the sign of the second derivative. So we take the first derivative to find the critical numbers. F prime of x equals negative 3x squared plus 6x minus 1. This looks like a candidate for the quadratic formula, so x equals negative 6, negative b, plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac, 36, minus 4 times 3 is 12, all over negative 6. So that is 1 plus or minus, this is the square root of 24. We can factor out a 4 from that, and so we get 2 root 6 over 6, which will be root 6 over 3. I'm not sure I'm going to evaluate this function. So we have two critical numbers, 1 plus square root of 6 over 3 and 1 minus square root of 6 over 3. So let's take the second derivative and see what that gives us. So the second derivative is the derivative of the first derivative, so that's negative 6x plus 6. So the second derivative is positive when x is greater than 0, when x is less than 1, and the second derivative is less than 0 when x is bigger than 1. And so we could have done a sign chart for the second derivative if we wanted to check this. So f double prime of x, let's see, the 0, when it's 0 is 1, and then put a big positive number in, we get a negative sign, put a big negative number in, we get a positive sign. So this derivative is positive, less than 1, negative, bigger than 1. That means, so positive is concave up, negative is concave down. That means f of 1 minus square root of 6 over 3 is to the left of 1, so it is a local minimum. And f of 1 plus square root of 6 over 3 is to the right of 1, and therefore it is a local max.